We will now take the dog off the training table and repeat the lessons it has learned.
Okay, now we're off the table, ready to reinforce hold on the ground. Phyllis is still going to help us using the collar, because it really takes 3 hands to reinforce hold. Hold, and we'll walk forward. We'll stop. Out. Right now I won't reinforce the not sitting for the delivery either.
Right.
We'll tie that together a little later.
One thing at a time.
Right, one subtask at a time. It's important. If I started correcting this young dog for not sitting, then he's going to get confused, and it'll interfere with our lesson, which is hold. So now that he's got the hold down for a bumper, let's go ahead and make progress and see if he'll hold a frozen bird. Hold. Come on, let's go, boy. That's a good boy, huh? What a boy. Hold. Good boy. Out. Okay, let's try a larger frozen bird now.
Okay.
All right. So we start off with a small hen pheasant, not a big old cock pheasant. Just place in his mouth. Hold. That's a good boy. Now all that work on the table's paying off. That's a good dog. Huh? Good. Out. Good boy. That's a good boy, Buster. One more time. You do that one more time, and we'll stop. That's always the kiss of death. One more time, right? We'll be here until the sun goes down. Hold. Now we'll try to get him to walk forward. Come on, that's a boy. And we'll stop. Tap on the bird, see if he lets go. He remembers that technique from the table. Good boy. That's it. Come in. Right here. Come on. Good. Out. Let's try a bigger bird.
So much for one more time, huh? There you go, Buster.
Hold. Good boy.
He says that one's heavier.
Heavier and harder to hold on to. Huh? Good boy. Reach over him. Reach under him. Out. That's it. Okay, we'll quit on that one.
Okay. Now, would you take him out to the field or do more work?
Oh, no. I'd want to see him do that at least 3 sessions in the yard before I'd take him out in the field. I want to see some permanence of habit acquired on carrying these birds before we take him out and get him excited and ask him to do that on shot birds in the field. They tend to forget these lessons a little when you do that. boy. Here. Hip. Hold. Hold. Up. Out. Up. Good boy. Break.
That concludes the first part of our two-part series on the trained retrieve. If you want more information on training videos, call 1-800-456-9494 or contact your Tronics dealer.